Oh, you thought I was filming, didn't you? Or you thought Noah was filming. You guys are wrong. Guys, I'm gonna have, here, everybody say what's up and Happy New Year, Merry Christmas. You haven't talked to me.
Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, Hanukkah, whatever. Y'all celebrate, happy whatever.
Guys, what's up? How's everybody doing? I just want to apologize first off. I know a lot of you have said, hey, my best wishes for your wife, and I do appreciate that. They said, I have had comments that said I haven't seen you in a while. Reason being is my wife's been in and out of the hospital. You can ask Noah, he's been a huge help. So it's been rough. I'm trying the best I can, and I'm trying to do the videos and get the trucks ready and do builds on trucks and get a whole bunch of stuff done with these cars that I bought. I bought a 93 5.0 Mustang that I'm absolutely infatuated with. I just haven't had a minute to do anything because I'm juggling the full-time dad. And you know the whole stuff, the whole story. I'm not gonna go on with that. Anyways, guys, check this out. I hope you're doing well, first off. I really do. I wish you guys the best. I wish you a prior Merry Christmas because I didn't get to do a Merry Christmas video.
Belated is the word.
Belated. There you go. And I'm wishing you a successful, prosperous New Year because I didn't get to talk to you on New Year's Eve. Because my wife ended up going to the hospital on New Year's Eve. I'm not joking. First time in my life, I went to bed at 9:35 p.m. New Year's Eve. My wife got rushed to the hospital on New Year's Eve, so I figured, I was like, you know what, I'm done with this. I'm not doing anything else. I'm washing away my sorrow, whatever. On with the show. Good 2021, please! Please, good 21 already! Anyways, on with the show, guys. Got a little preview coming for you. This is a 2004, fully done up. Deleted, done up, completely. Can't even tell you how much. There's a whole bunch of stuff done to this truck. I'm not even gonna say it. Full exhaust, 22x12 American Forces, 33 1250 22 mud tires. I think I said that right. Yep, amps, and a really nice truck. Straight from Florida. So we're gonna do a preview on this, and this is gonna be a build coming up here soon. So do a walk around, check it out. Hope you guys are doing great. This is Mark signing out. Stay tuned.